Hey there, this is Challenger Joe with Challenger of the Day. Just testing out the new setup. After I put the grass down and put the water in and some rocks and a few boats, I wanted to make sure the track is still working, and it's a little wonky. Connections aren't as tight as they should be. The angles are not exactly where they should be either, and this is why the green car keeps going off the track. The green car's a little faster, you know, because it's green and all. And it's just having trouble staying on the track. But again, this is in part due to the angles. It's also because the track isn't as securely connected as it could be. I have to go a little bit faster to keep the cars moving around the track, otherwise they just stop dead. And I've got the green track on autopilot, so this is another problem. The throttle is a little bit too high on the autopilot, but you know, that's where the rubber band has left us today, so we're going to go with that. We can adjust it, but it's more fun watching it go off the track. The red car is doing really well, but again, this has to do also more with the lane, the inside lane and the outside lane. Not only do they have different factors involved with the mechanics, with the math, the engineering and everything, but the throttle, the speed is also affected when the connection isn't right in between the pieces of track. It doesn't always hit both lanes the same. And where I'm at right now, I have one lane that is actually working a little bit better than the other, and so sometimes I'll just put a faster car on the slower lane and a slower car on the faster lane to accommodate for that. But again, it's just fun watching the green car go off the track. That spot, that corner, you know, you can see where the connection on the bottom, the angle's wrong because it's not connected right. Throttle is being affected, so this may be a part of the problem. I know if it was turned down the whole power, it would probably just stop right there and not get stuck, or get stuck in a different way, not go off the track. Jumped over onto the other track. There you go. Back wheels on. And here you go again. Another way to find this out is to try the red car on that piece of track. Oh, speaking of the red car, every dog has its day. Have a great day, all day, every day. Challenger of the Day.